Good morning, everyone. We will continue with our trade 8 and trade 9, trade 10. So today's lesson, not only 8, 9, 10, we will continue with exercise 5.2, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so trade 8, let's look at trade 8. I think I discussed with you in the class halfway. Okay, I will continue with this. So in the figure, PQ parallel with BC. Okay, the symbol is for parallel. And then A, which angle is equal to ABC? So angle of ABC, the red one, okay, the red one is equal to the angle of APQ. Okay, ABC equals to APQ. So it's equal because of corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles. Okay, so part 2, angle ACB will be equals to angle AQP, and it's because of corresponding angles also. Okay, because when you see the parallel lines here and here, the parallel lines here, and if you have a straight line connecting the parallel line, it will form a corresponding angles, the blue one and also the red one. Okay, these four. Okay, so B. Name a pair of similar triangles and give the reason for the similarity. Okay, so we can see that there are two triangles in this diagram. Okay, one is a triangle of APQ. Okay, triangle of APQ, and the other triangle is the big triangle, which is ABC. Okay, the angle here same with this angle, the red one. Okay, and also the blue one, same with the blue one. Okay, and then they share the same angle here. They are called shared angles or common angles. Okay, because they share the same one here. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, and the reason is because of angle, triple angle, because you are given all the three angles are same. Okay, so when we write down the reason, we have to state one by one. Okay, we have to state the three angles which pair are the same. Okay, so angle of APQ is equal to angle of ABC. Okay, the red one, because of corresponding angles. Okay, and the second one, okay, the blue one, angle of AQP equals to angle of ACB because of corresponding angles also. Basically, this one is the same as part A, right? And then the third angle, which is angle PAQ, is equal to angle BAC, and because they shared angles. Okay, so therefore the triangle of APQ is similar to triangle of ABC. Okay, so this is the pair of similar triangles that are these two are the pair of similar triangles, and the reason is this AAA over here. Okay, so we have done part B, so let's go to part C. Part C, find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. So we label the two triangles first. 4 here, AB is 8 because 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 here, 4 plus 4, 8. PQ is x and BC is 6. Okay, so let's compare. AP, we compare with AB, the ratio, we're using ratio now. And then we have PQ and BC. Okay, we will compare these two sides. The ratio must be the same. Okay, so AP is 4, AB is 8, is equals to PQX, which is x, and the B over BC, which is 6. Okay, so the blue one here, the ratio of the blue sides, and ratio of the green side here. Okay, you compare the diagram with what I wrote there. Okay, so after that we cross multiply, so x equals to 4 times 6 over 8, and we get 3 centimeter. Okay, so trade 8 we finished. Trade 9, okay, let's look at trade 9. So in the diagram, okay, it's already labeled there. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Okay. Oh. Sorry, hold on. Okay, so show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Let's see if the orientation is the same here. Okay. So triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN is from the question. Okay. So we need to check out if the orientation is the same. If it's not the same, it means that the triangle is already flipped or maybe rotate. Okay. So since these two triangles can be nicely compared, so we can do this easily. Okay. So let's compare now. Okay. So show that how are they similar. Okay. So if you remember, similarity, the test for similarity is either side, 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 angle, 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 or side, angle, side. Okay, so for the side must be same ratio. Okay, same ratio, not same sides. Same ratio sides, same ratio sides. Okay, so here is obviously that we cannot use AAA because we are not given three angles, three pairs of angles. We're not given that. Okay, and they did not mention three angles, three pairs of angles that are the same. Okay, here they mention only 104, but the y here they did not mention y is 104. They did not mention that, so we cannot assume that they are the same, unless if we already show that they are similar, then we can say that both of these angles are the same. Okay, but we cannot use SAS also because we don't have angle. We don't have a pair of angle that is the same from the diagram. Okay, they did not mention. So what is left here is side, side, side. Okay, which means the sides of the ratio of the sides are the same. Okay, let's find out whether they are the same or not. Okay, so we compare one by one. Okay, the green one with the green one, blue and blue, and yellow. Okay, yellow and yellow. Okay, so let's find out. Okay, let's say the green one first. AB over LM. So the ratio of AB to LM is 6 to 8. Okay, 6 to 8. So after we simplify, we will get 3 over 4. Okay. Okay, so let's find out the blue one, which is BC over MN, which is 9 over 12, and it's equals to also 3 over 4 after we simplify, right? Okay, so the same ratio here. So the third one, let's see, AC over LN is equals to 12 over 16. And after you simplify, you will get 3 over 4, okay? So these three ratio same, okay, ratio, so we can call this as SSS. Okay, so since they have the same ratio, okay, we already this is the reason, and this is how we show that. Okay, so since it's the same ratio, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Okay, so now since they are the same, they are the similar, or they are similar now, so we can say that the angles are equal, okay, are the same. So y, the value of the y will be equals to 104 degree. Okay, because similarity, triangles, we have equal angles. Okay, so we have done our try it 9. Okay, let's go for try it 10. Okay, so this question here, okay, a little bit harder because we don't have similar triangles that can be easily see. Okay, we cannot see it it's not easily compared. Okay, because here we need to find out which triangle and which triangle is similar. Okay, let's see. So in the figure, AC is perpendicular to BC. Okay, here they mention AC is perpendicular to BC, which means this is 90 degree. Okay, CF is perpendicular to AB. Okay, it's already mentioned here, 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay. Okay, so CF is 12, FB is 9, CB is 15. Okay, name a triangle similar to CFB. Okay, CFB is this. Okay, so if I were to draw it out, okay, CFB, okay, I will draw it exactly the same, CFB shape. with label 1259 and the 90 degree. Okay, so which triangle is actually similar to CFB? Okay, so from this diagram we can see, okay, how many triangles are there? Can you see how many triangles are there? Besides the red one, there are actually another 2 more triangles. Okay, one of the triangle is here, CAF, and the other triangle is CAB, the big one. So now, which one do you think that the triangle is similar with CFB? Okay, you give yourself some time to think which triangle, or maybe you can guess which one. Is it the yellow one or the blue one? Okay, so the answer is the blue one. Okay, the blue one is similar with the red one. Okay, why? I will let you know why. Okay, I will draw it out first. I will rotate CAB. Okay, become like this: C here, A here, B here. Okay, so this blue one, I rotate and becomes like this. And 90 degrees here, 15 is here. So both has 90 degree angle, right? Both has 90 degree angle. Okay, the thing here is, okay, you must be wondering, why isn't the yellow one similar? Since the yellow one also got 90 degree ba, kan? So why cannot be similar? Okay, because, okay, not only they have this red and the blue one, these 2 triangles, not only they have the same right angle, same 90 degree, is because they also have a hidden, or not really hidden, quite obvious that they have a common angle, which is the angle is here. Okay, I will draw with the light pink here. Okay, if you realize, or if you notice that CFB, the light pink angle is shared together with the blue one. The blue one also, the angle, the light pink angle here, they are the same. They share the angle. Okay, so meaning to say that the pink one, this angle here, is the same as this angle ba. Right, so we have 2 pairs of corresponding angles. We have 2 pairs of same equal angles. Okay, so if you have 2 angles that are the same, so the third one will also be the same. Okay, the third one confirm same, because 180 minus this 90 degree minus the light pink, you will get the purple one. Same goes to the blue triangle, 180 minus the 90 degree minus the pink one, you will get the purple one. Right, it's the same. Okay, so here, similarity, as I said, the test of similarity is SSS, AAA, and SAS. Okay, so SSS cannot be because we don't have 3 pairs. Okay, pairs are not 3 angles, sides. 3 pairs of sides. Just like how we did in the previous question, we have 3 pairs of sides given. But this question, we do not have 3 pairs of sides, but we have 3 pairs of angles. So we use angle, angle, angle. Okay, part A. Name a triangle similar to CFB. So the blue one, right? So triangle of ACB is similar to triangle of CFB. Okay, this question did not ask you to write down the reason, but I would like to ask you to write down the reason. Okay, can I? Okay, so reason here, we have to mention all the 3 angles. Okay, the 3 angles is under AAA to show that they are similar. Okay, so the first angle, okay, let it be the 90 degree first. Okay, angle of CFB equals to angle of ACB, and it's equals to 90 degree given. Okay, the next one, the pink one, the angle of CBF equals to angle of ABC, because they shared angles. Okay, or if you write common angles, it also can. So the third one, angle, the purple one, angle of FCB equals to angle of CAB. Okay, because since 2 pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then third one also will be equal. Third one also equal. So since two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, third one also equal. Okay, so let's do part B. So we already showed that they are similar. So now find the length of AC and of AF. Okay, so I already draw these two triangles out for you to compare. It's easily compared now. Okay, if you cannot see like this, I would prefer you to draw two triangles like this so that you can compare easily. Okay, so we find AC. AC is here, the yellow one. So I will compare this side with CF. Okay, we find the ratio of these two yellow one, and then we compare with okay, I'll use orange, FB and CB, because we are given 9 and 15, so we use that. Okay, so the one that is given, side 9 over 15 is equals to 12 over AC. The orange one compare with the yellow one. Okay, 9 over 15 equals to 12 over AC. So if you start off from 9 here, the triangle, the red triangle, then you must start off from the 12 from the red triangle also. Okay, you cannot write like this, 9 over 15 equals to AC over 12, because it's already terbalik lah, already flip. This one's supposed to be 12 on the top, AC at the bottom. Okay, so this one is wrong. Okay, so after we found this, we compared already, so we can cross multiply and find answer. So AC is equals to 15 times 12 over 9. Okay, so after you simplify, you will get 20 centimeter. Okay, so that's for AC. So now let's look at AF. Okay, AF, let's look at the two diagram here. Is there any AF given? No. Okay, look back at the original triangle. Okay, here. So our AF is here. So to find AF, we need to find AB first, and then we minus this 9, then we will get AF. Okay, so basically AF is AB minus FB. Okay, so AF is equals to AB minus FB. So first we have to find AB first. AB, okay, the blue one, alright? The blue, I mean this. Okay, we'll compare blue one and this blue one here. So same thing, we use ratio. Okay, we use ratio. So the orange one, the orange side, 9 over 15 is equals to 15 over AB. Same thing, you compare this one and this one, and this one and this one. So after that we cross multiply, AB equals to 15 times 15 over 9. And we will get 25 centimeter for AB. So therefore our AF is AB 25 minus FB, which is 9, and we get 16 centimeter. So far okay? So we finished our try 10. Now let's go to exercise 5.2. Okay, question 1 until question 4. Okay. So question 1, EFGH is a rectangle in which okay, it's already in the diagram. KLMN is a parallelogram. Are the corresponding angles of EFGH and KLMN equal? Okay, it's not equal because you see this is 90 degrees, this is acute angle, which obviously not the same. Okay, so it's no. Is EF over KL equal to FG over LM? Okay, let's find out. EF over KL means 4 over 4. And it's equals to 1. FG over LM is 3 over 3 and is equals to 1. So yes, they have the same ratio. So yes, they are equal. C, is EFGH similar to KLMN? They have the same ratio, but they do not have the same equal angle. So no. Okay, so explain your answer. It's either you're right, they are not the same shape, it's because they are not the same shape, or you can write because the corresponding angles are not the same. Right? Okay, that's question number 1 done. Question number 2. So in each of the following, find the value of each mark unknown. Okay, so it's given ABC triangle is similar to DEF. Okay, it's given that they are similar. Okay, let's find out the orientation first. Okay, so it's obviously it's already flipped. So let's number them first. ABC, so ABC is similar to DEF. Okay, so if you look at the number, okay, you don't need to number them if you can see it. Okay, if you can see it. If you cannot, then you can use this method, right? Okay, so the angle of X is, okay, since it's a 1, so you look at the 1, you compare the 1 and the 1. So X is equals to 30 degrees. Okay. And Y, how about Y? Y is 2, right? 2. This one is also 2. So to find that Y, 2, 180, you minus 90, minus 30. So 180 minus 90 minus 30, and it's equal to 60 degree. Okay. Alright, so let's look at B. ABC triangle is similar to VWZ. Okay, we number them again first. ABC similar with VWZ. So since it's similar, so the ratio of the sides are equal. The ratio of the sides are equal. So let's compare. Okay, so we compare which one is already given. So the one that is already given is 2, 3 and 2, 3. 2, 3 here is 18. 18. Here is 24. Okay, the yellow line sides 18 and 24. Okay. 2, 3 and 2, 3. So now if we want to find X, okay, the X 1, 3. Compare with 1, 3 here, 20. X is not 20, the ratio is the same, but the side is not the same. So we have to do it in ratio form. Okay, ratio form can be written as dot or fraction. So we will do it in fraction form that I already used to do it with you all. Okay, so 18 over 24, the yellow one, 18 over 24, 2, 3 to 2, 3, equals to 1, 3 to 1, 3, which is AC and VZ, which is X over 20. And then we cross multiply to get the answer. So X is equals to 18 times 20 over 24. After you simplify, you will get 15. Okay, you simplify by own. Okay, so that's X. Okay, how about Y? Okay, so Y here we can compare with, okay, Y blue one, 1 to 2. So this one 1 to 2. So AB and VW. Okay, we compare AB and VW. Also given 2, 3, which is 18, and the other 2, 3, which is 24. Okay, and it's equals to because we choose 18 first, so you must choose 12 first. So 12 over the blue one here, Y. Okay, and then we cross multiply. Y is equals to 24 times 12 over 18. And it's equals to 16. Okay, so let's look at C. ABCD is similar to EFGH. ABCD is similar to EFGH. So it's already, you can compare it nicely now. So let's find out what is X. So this X here we compare with, okay, 3, 4 we compare. Okay, it's nicely seen, so we just compare like this, the left and the right one. Okay, and see what they give you here, 15 and 10. Okay, So when we write down, okay, we write down the one on the left first, 15, the red color one, over 10. Okay, 1 4 over 1 4, so AD over EF is equals to DC, which is 9, over FG, which is X. 4 3 and 4 3. Okay, then we cross multiply. So X equals to 10 times 9 over 15, and then we get 6. Okay, you try by your own first. When you simplify, you can pause the video anytime. Okay, so we found our X, now find Y. So if we have similar figures, okay, the angles, the corresponding angles must be equal. Okay, so the 75 is here, so means that this is also 75. Okay, so this is interior angle, we call it interior angle. So interior angle, when we plus this, we sum it up, we get 180 degree. Right, so when we find Y, we use 180 to minus 75, and we get 105 degree. Okay, so let's look at part D. So ABCD is similar to PQRS. Okay, numbering is much more easier. If not, you can compare easily. Okay, if you can compare, don't compare 12 with 10. It's not. Okay, it looks like it is, but it's not. Okay, because when we number them, we can see it even clearer. Okay, because 1 2 3 4 ABCD is similar to PQRS, which is also 1 2 3 4. So when we number them, okay, okay, 1 2 here, you compare with 1 2 over here. So 12 is supposed to compare with 15. 12 over 15, the ratio. Okay, and okay, if we are to find X, AD here, right, 1 4. So 1 4 means this 10. 1 4. Okay, so the red one, AB 12 over PQ, which is 15, 1 2 over 1 2 equals to 1 4, which is X over 10. Then we can cross multiply. Okay, so X is equals to 10 times 12 over 15. Then we get 8. Wait. I write wrong again. Okay, so after that we find Y. So Y is 2 3. We compare with 2 3 here, which is the 9. Okay, and then when we write also the same thing, we ratio the red one, 12 over 15 is equals to the yellow one, which is Y over 9. Then you cross multiply, same thing, so 9 times 12 over 15. And the answer is 7 1 over 5. Okay, you can try calculate yourself. Okay, so number 2 done. Let's go to number 3. Identify the triangles that are similar and give the reason for the similarity. Okay, so now we look at this first. Okay, 120, consider as the first one 1. And the second one, okay, this is 25, this is 35. Okay, they are not the same, so this one cannot be the second one. So first we have to find out the angle over here. So this is 180 minus 120 minus 25. And it's equals to 35 degree. Oh, it's the same now with the D. With this, it's the same now. Okay, to find this, then we use 180 minus 120 minus 35, and it's 25, so it's the same as this 25 over here. Okay, so 35 and the 35, okay, the second one and the third one here and here. Okay, so we can say that these three angles are corresponding angles. These three pairs of corresponding angles are equal, so they are actually similar. Okay, so we can use angle, angle, angle as the reason. Okay, so triangle of, okay, I would make it to 1, 2, 3. Okay, C A B. If you write 3, 2, 1, BAC also can. So the other triangle you have to write also in the order 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if my order here is 1, 2, 3, CAB, so this one my order will be also 1, 2, 3. So it's triangle EDF. Okay, so if your order is let's say triangle, if your order is 3, 2, 1, which is BAC, then the other one which is 3, 2, 1, which means triangle of FDE. Okay, either one also can, we accept. You want 2, 3, 1 also can, 1, 3, 2 also can. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so I already identified the triangles that are similar, so now we have to give the reason. We know that it's angle, angle, angle. So now we have to mention which pair of triangles are equal. Okay, I will do the first one first, the number 1, which is 120 degree. Okay, so triangle angle of BCA is equals to angle of FED, and it's equals to 120 degree. Okay, or you put bracket also can. And the second one, number 2. Okay, number 2, angle of BAC equals to angle of FDE, which is 35 degree. The third one, angle of ABC is equals to angle of, okay, what do you think? So ABC, so DFE, which is equals to 25 degree. Okay, so this is how you reason it. Okay, the answer is there. So done with number 3A, we go to number 3B. Okay, identify the triangles that are similar. Okay, this one, let's see if they are similar or not. Okay, so you are given all 3 sides. So can this be side, side, side? Maybe, we don't know, we have to find out. Okay, let's find it out. So you compare the red one and the red one. 8 over 4 equals to 2. Okay, now we compare the purple one with the purple one. 9 over 5, and it's not equal, so it's 1, 4, 5. Okay, it's not. How about the third one? Even though if it's same ratio with either one, we will still say that they are not similar because one different, right? 12 over 6 is 2. So these two same, but this one not same, so consider, since they have different ratios, so it's not similar. Okay, part C. So we have one angle here, 30 degree, that is the same. Okay, this one and this one is the same. And then we look at the side. 68 over 51. Okay, 68 over 51 is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, and then we have 36 over 27. It's also 4 over 3. Yes, they have the same ratio, they have the same angle, but does this fulfill one of these? SSS? Okay, definitely not, because we only have 2 pairs of sides. No. How about angle, angle, angle? We only have 1 pair of angle. No. But could it be SAS? You might think that is yes, but actually no. Why? Because this angle is in between 2 sides. But this SAS means angle is included between 2 sides. But this diagram here, the 30 degrees supposed to be included between two sides, but it's not. Only one side here and the other side is opposite. So we cannot say that they are similar. Okay, we cannot say that they are similar, but they might be similar because we have not enough information, because they did not mention here and here similar. So we cannot use SAS as our reason. Okay, so because this side here is not mentioned. Okay, it's not mentioned. If they mention these two ratio, this side here are same ratio, so it means that we can use SAS. This is not SAS, this is SSA, because the angle is not included between two sides. Okay, so therefore we don't have enough information, not enough information to prove similarity. Okay, so not enough info to prove its similarity. Okay, let's look at part D. Okay, we have same right angle here, and then let's find out if the ratio of the sides the same. Okay, so we compare this one and this one. Okay, we compare these two because we compare the longest one. The longest for this is 30, the longest between 18 and 12 is 18, so we compare 30 and 18. So which means VW over ZY is equals to 30 over 18 and is equals to 5 over 3. Okay, and the other one 20 over 12, which is Vx equals to VA YA, and is equals to 20 over 12, and after you simplify you get 5 over 3 also. Okay, so same side. How about angle? So this one we can say that this is side angle side because the angle here is in between two sides. Unlike part C, the angle is not between two sides. Okay, so side angle. Okay, we need to mention the angle, they are the same. So angle of VWX is equals to angle of ZYA, which is 90 degrees. So this one is under angle. So this is side angle side. Therefore, the triangle that is similar now is triangle VWX with ZYA. Okay, so this is side angle side. Okay, we done question number 3. Let's go to question number 4. So in each of the following, name a pair of triangles, similar triangles, and state the reason for the similarity. Okay, so now we have to mention which triangle is similar and we need to write down the reason. So as I say similarity, you need to mention either one, SSS, AAA, or SAS as the reason. Okay, either one. So part 1, for A, part 1, name a pair of similar triangles. Okay, let's see which triangles are similar. Okay, so first we need to find out, do they give you any of the sides or angles? Okay, so sides are given one pair, this pair and this pair, and 27x, but this is given x, so it's considered as only one pair given, 21 and 14. Okay, so can we say this triangle and this triangle similar? Since you only have one pair of side, okay, let's find out if they have the same angle. Okay, so this angle over here and this angle over here, they are equal. They did not mention it's equal, but through their drawings we can say it's equal because this one we learned in year 8 already is called vertically opposite angle. If vertically opposite angle, it means that both of these angles are the same. Okay, and okay, this is the purple one, the same. Okay, how about the other two pairs of angles? Okay, this angle here is actually same with this angle over here because of alternate angle. You see that? Alternate angle Z. So they're actually same. Okay, so the yellow one, this one, will also be the same as this because of alternate angle. Okay, if we have one pair of parallel line, then we can say that we can use alternate angle. Okay, so we have three pairs of same angle, so we use A. Okay, so let's state the reason first. Okay, so we state the reason first before we state which triangle is similar. Okay, so angle of, okay, the yellow color one first. Okay, EAB. Okay, I start from EAB 1 2 3. So since my numbering one is pink angle, so this one also the same. I will use the pink angle here, 1, and then the second one will be yellow angle, and the third one is also the same as the purple one. So angle EAB equals to angle 1 2 3. So this one is also 1 2 3 DCB. The reason is because of alternate angles. Okay, a symbol of the angles. Okay, or you can write in words angles. Okay, so the next one, the pink one. Okay, angle of 213 AEB is equals to angle of 213. So this one is also 213 CDB, and it's also because of alternate angle. Okay, the third one, angle of 132. So 132 EBA equals to angle of DBC, and it's called vertically opposite angles. Okay, so therefore the triangle of 1 2 3 EAB, no, it's not equal, it's similar, sorry, is similar to triangle of DCB. Okay, so the reason here is because of angle. So now part 2, find the unknown x. Okay, so this one we must use ratio to find out. Okay, so 21 13 and this 13, 21 with 14. You can compare with green one, 2 3 with 2 3. Okay, so 21 over 14, the blue one, is equals to 27 over x. So x is equals to 14 times 27 over 21. And after you simplify, you will get 18. Done. Okay, let's look at B. Okay, so this diagram over here, see which triangle is similar. Okay, so we have this small triangle and also this big triangle. So are they actually similar? Let's find out. Okay, they have the sides, two sides, both sides give two pairs of sides, and the third pair is not counted because one is 2, one is x. X is not given, so it's considered as two pairs of sides. And angles, you only have one angle here which they shared, is called common angle or shared angles, and the other two pairs we cannot say that they are equal because this is not even parallel. They didn't mention it's parallel. Okay, if they did not mention it's parallel, we cannot assume that this and this is equal unless if they draw this arrow parallel, so you can say that these two angles are same, but they did not, so we cannot assume that they have the same angle. So here, side, no. Angle also no. So the only possibility is side angle side, because this angle is included between two sides for the small triangle, and also big triangle also included. Okay, let's see. I will draw two triangles to show you and for you to compare. A and M with 4 3 2, and the big one we have 8. Okay, this is CAB by the way. 8 because 4 plus 4. AB is 6 because 3 plus 3. And then this is X. And then they share the common angle. Okay, so this is side angle side, okay? Side, angle, side. Okay, angle is in between two sides. Okay, so now, okay, we have these two triangles that are similar. Now we reason them. Okay, to reason them, we have to mention SAS. Okay, so side here, the ratio AN over AC, which is 4 over 8 and is equals to 1 over 2. And AM over AB is equals to 3 over 6, which is also 1 over 2. Same ratio, isn't it? Same ratio side. So this one considered side. And the angle of NAM is equals to angle of CAB. Okay, I would write this one down here. NAM and CAB, they are equal because they share, or you can write common angles. Okay, so this one is under A, so SAS. Okay, so therefore the triangle of NAM is similar to triangle of CAB. Okay, so this is part 1. Part 2, so since they are similar, we can compare the ratio and find X, okay? CB and NM. And we can compare the other one, which is AN and AC. Okay, so AN over AC is 4 over 8. Or you can write 1 over 2 as can. And the green one, NM, which is 2, and CB, which is X. So now you can cross multiply. So X is equals to 8 times 2 over 4. And it's equals to 4. Okay, that's for part B. So now let's look at CD. We're almost there, hang in there. Okay. So if can, you can pause the video and try to do these 2 questions by yourself and compare with mine, okay? See whether yours is correct or not. Okay, so this one, shall we use SSS, AAA, or SAS? Let's see, yeah? Okay, so you are given angle here, which is the common angle, okay? Common angle, and this angle belongs to 2 triangles, the small one and the big one. Okay, the small one, which is DCE, 90 degree with 4 and X. And the big one, which is CAB, 5, and AC is 6 because 4 plus 2. And then both share the same common angle. Okay, so this is the information that they give you. We cannot use side. We cannot use side angle side also because we only have one pair of side. One pair of sides as in AC and DC. The other one is AB and DE, but DE is given X. So angle, how about angle? You're given 90 degree and you're given the blue one. So the third one will also be the same. So we can say they are similar by using angle. Okay, so now part 1. Angle. We mentioned all the 3 angles are same. Okay, so the first one, let's mention about the 90 degree first, the easiest one to mention. Angle of BAC equals to angle of EDC. Okay, because they have 90 degree, they are given 90 degree. Okay, the second one, the blue one, okay. Angle of ACB is equals to angle of DCE. And because they are shared or common, okay, you can write shared or common. So it's shared angles. Okay, and the third one, Okay, if two pairs are the same, so the third one confirm the same. Okay, I think I mentioned it just now already. The third angles will also be the same since two angles are equal. Or you can mention even easier, this one and this one same because it's called corresponding angles. Okay, why corresponding angles? Because these two actually is parallel because of 90 degree. Okay, so it's actually parallel, even though if they did not mention it's parallel, it is parallel because of the 90 degree. Okay, because of the 90 degrees, so it's parallel. So we can mention this as corresponding angles. Okay, so angle of ABC is equal to angle of DEC, and we can write down as corresponding angles. So therefore, the triangle of ABC is similar to triangle of DEC. Okay, so this one considered as angle, angle, angle. So part 2, find x. So we compare also using the same, I think it's repeated, it's the same thing, you compare. So we compare 6 and 4, the ratio 6 with 4 and also 5 over x. Okay, so 6 over 4, the left one with the right one, equals to the left one which is 5 over x. Okay, so cross multiply, 4 times 5 over 6 is equals to 1 over 3 centimeter. Done. Okay, so let's do the last one, part 1. Okay, so this one, the orientation is different. Okay, we draw two triangles first. The first one is APQ and 70 degree, 10 and 12. Okay, I label. Okay, so you can only see two triangles in this diagram. The first triangle is APQ, the second triangle is the big one, ABC. Okay, so let's rotate or flip it so that it looks like APQ here, but with bigger version. Okay, so okay, since the 70 degree is here, so it must be equal. So here also 70 degree. So the only 70 degree here is C, so this is C. And this is B. Okay, so here we can start labeling the big triangle. So the big triangle A to C is 18 because A to C is 12 plus 6. So it's 18. Okay, and then we have AB, which is 10 plus X. Okay, this X there. Okay, so now what else do we have? Okay, we have common angle. You see the common angle, A here and this A here. Okay, so first of all, can we use SSS? No, because we are not given 3 pairs of sides. Can we use SAS? No, because we only have 1 pair of sides and not two pairs of sides. So here we use angle, 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 because the first angle is already given 70 degrees, same. The second angle, common angle, so the third one must be also the same. Okay, so we mentioned all the 3 angles as our reason. So angle of A, the 70 degree first, Angle of APQ is equal to angle of ACB, which is 70 degree, or you can put bracket. Given 70 degree, and the other one is angle of PAQ, the pink one, which is the same as angle CAB. Okay, this one we call as common or shared angles. Okay, and the third one, angle of AQP is equal to angle of ABC, because the third one, okay, since 2 pairs of corresponding angles are equal, since two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, so the third one also equal. Okay, or third one will be equal to. Okay, so this one we can say that is under angle, angle, angle. Okay, so part 2, we find x. X is here, PB. So first we find AB first. We find this AB, compare with this AQ, and 10 with this 18. Okay, so it's 10 over 18 equals to 12 over AB. We find AB before we find x. Because after we find AB, we can just minus off the 10 to find x. Okay, you look at the diagram here. We find AB first, and then we minus 10, we will get x. Okay, so AB equals to 12 times 18 over 10, and you will get 21 over 6, 21.6. So x is equals to AB, which is 21.6, minus AP, which is 10, and is 11.6. Okay, so there it is. We finish our similarity until question number 4 now. So that's all, and I'll see you in school.